How to disable Find My iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is look for the Settings app on your home screen and simply tap on these settings. Now once in there, scroll down and you will get to see Privacy and Security button available. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the Privacy and Security, scroll and tap on the Location Services, or you can see it available at the top. Then tap on the Find My iPhone option available. And here you can see the toggle option available. I cannot toggle it off because my security delay mode is turned on. It will take me an hour in order to toggle this off for any security reasons. But if you do not have your security delay toggled on, then you can toggle this off very easily. Turning off Find My iPhone removes activation lock, which is necessary if you plan to sell or give away your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.